Hey Disney fans, it's Disney Dan here with a fun recap of my huge project that I did in 2019 that I've been wanting to make this video for a while, so sorry it kind of came out late, but this past summer I dressed up as Dreamfinder and Figment at the D23 Expo, and it was a ton of fun. But to make it happen, a ton of work went into dress me as Dreamfinder to get me the Figment puppet. I reached out to Adam Kreninger, who is an incredible maker. He's an art teacher, but he's also a puppeteer and a puppet builder, and so that's why I went to Adam, because Adam has experience building some really, really phenomenal stuff. We started pulling together references and photos of the Figment animatronic, the Figment meet and greet with Dreamfinder when he was actually in the parks. We pulled together as many resources as we could, and he just kind of went at it. The whole process was really, really fun with Adam. He was live streaming the entire build. You can go onto his Twitch and YouTube and check out start to finish his entire construction of the Figment puppet. But he worked really, really hard on that Figment puppet all the way up to the deadline. He shipped that puppet out to Anaheim, and I met the big FedEx box out in Anaheim at the Disneyland Hotel and picked it up, and everything came together just in time. All right, we're here at the Disneyland Hotel in the Fantasy Tower?
Yep.
In the Fantasy Tower. I'm so excited for what's inside this thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, Adam, you make a lovely puppet. He's really cool. Check him out. He's got custom made the shirt, custom made everything, right? Oh my goodness. And so, of course, I also needed the Dreamfinder outfit and getup, which the blue jacket, the vest, the top hat, all that kind of stuff. So I ran out to my dear friend Will Morris here in the Allentown area, and he is a phenomenal actor and lighting designer, but in addition to all of that, he's also a really great costumer. So he took all of my measurements and made me a Dreamfinder jacket from scratch, including the little rigged arm thing so that you can operate the puppet and look like he's being carried. And then I also had a bunch of help along the way, including some friends like Vega helping make the fake arm at the last minute because I just completely forgot to do that. It was a really, really fun and exciting adventure that I took to make this happen. Hi, I'm Disney Dan. This is D23. I should have brought a towel because this is incredibly sweaty. Am I too close? Here's the whole getup, right? We got Figment. We have you can clearly see my hand is here. Not sure how the puppet's being operated. That's some real magic there. Don't look too closely at the armpit around back because it ruins the illusion. But you know what? The Disney Dan needs some ventilation. So, all right, let's go walk around, I guess. Oh boy. I feel like I have the right look about me to be Dreamfinder, right? Look at this. Bring me back, 2020. Excited for the parade. wacky stuff in the park, but everyone get out of the way. Figment needs to eat. Yellow snow cones. This is perfect. Can I hold one? Are there the removable one? Just some B-roll of the bedspread and my boy Figment. It's some B-roll.